Understanding the phrase, just a splash. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, just a splash. This expression is commonly used in English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really add a bit of flavor to your conversational skills. Let's dive in. Just a splash literally refers to adding a very small amount of a liquid to something. Imagine pouring a tiny bit of milk into your coffee. That's a splash. It's used to indicate that only a small quantity is needed or desired. In a figurative sense, just a splash can be used in various contexts. For instance, 1. Cooking. When a recipe asks for just a splash of oil, it means a little bit, not to measure precisely. 2. Fashion. Someone might say, I added just a splash of color to my outfit, indicating a small, yet noticeable, addition that makes a difference. 3. Conversationally, it can be used to downplay the extent of something, like, I know just a splash of Spanish. Understanding the cultural context of just a splash is important. It's often used in a casual, informal manner. In British English, it might be heard more frequently, especially when talking about tea or drinks. It conveys a sense of modesty or minimalism in what's being added or done. Let's practice. Here are a few sentences. Could you add just a splash of cream to my coffee? I'm not a fluent speaker, but I know just a splash of German. Try creating your own sentences using just a splash in different contexts. I hope this video helps you understand and use just a splash in your everyday English. It's a small phrase, but it can make a big impact in making your language skills more natural and fluent. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson.